What's happening on the west?
Nothing. They moved to east.
Bonk. Hold, stay there, hold, stay there. No one step up, come back southeast. No one step up, only me. Okay, using doubles on the guards now. Using doubles on the guards.
Western
Stand
at the
still.
west side of the castle.
Gotcha. Stand still, boys. Stand still. Don't de-aggro the guards. Stand still. Okay. Hold there. Hold.
Careful in with longbow. Careful.
Gotcha. Yo. Arch.
Ayun na bin. Misclick makes sense. Okay.
Yo, using doubles on the guards. Using doubles. Hurry up. Using W's. Now look west, shallow. West shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West. Oh my god. Nice. Good kills. Hold here. Don't push. Reset now.
Based on jacket, okay?
Reset now. Give me that reset. I need that too.
Second.
Ready?
10 seconds.
Walk west.
Ready.
Walk west. Now,
10
look at
seconds.
west. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West now. Come back southeast, faster. Occult now. Now cleanse on the front. You need to cleanse on the front. Cleanse on my tanks. Help my tanks on the front.
Shaper,
No one's
shaper,
helping the Shaper. Don't die on the Shaper. Come back southeast. Let me cooldowns now. My DPS. Keep resetting.
Ready?
Now walk up again.
Enemy hit on the back.
Yo,
Ready.
northwest shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest shallow now. Come back southeast. Just come back southeast. Okay, walk. Just reset. Let me step up. Just reset.
Please,
reset.
the only DPS
Yo,
now,
look northwest.
Not ready.
Okay. Come back.
Long cooldown.
Gotcha.
Very long
Tell me cooldowns now.
Careful
Ready,
west.
ready
Southwest.
DPS.
Gotcha. Come back southeast. Everyone come back southeast. Out. We don't have any demons, okay? Come back southeast. Hold here. They're looking shallow. Come back south. Yo, we're gonna
Just
bounce
engage,
shallow.
just engage.
Yo, inside of us on the tanks in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Kill the tanks. More damage.
Reset. Northwest.
Using double, using that guy. Kill that guy. Nice. Come back south.
Second.
Give me heals.
Ready DPS.
Hold.
Ready.
What's happening on the front? Yo, come back southeast. Don't step up.
Nothing.
Come back southeast.
They facing to us.
Come back south. Move more south. Move more southwest. Move more southwest. Move more. Yo, heal me up. Hold. Stay there, boys. Don't follow me. Stay there. Just checking.
I don't see papaya anymore.
They're on the west side, I think. Come back with me.
They're on the west.
Come with me.
You're looking in the back. That's it.
I know. Come with me. Come with me more. Trying to do something. Come with me.
They just engage. They just fighting now.
Okay. Come back west.
Clear the walls. Clear the wall.
Come back west. There you go. That's the tech. Yo, we're gonna look northeast. On the gate. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the gate. Hit them hard. Kill that. Then come back southwest. Faster. Occult southwest. Nice. Good job. I think papaya is wiped.
Jacket 2.
Yeah,
Western is looking now. Western is looking now.
Yo, come back southeast now.
Ready DPS.
Come back southeast. Yo, we're gonna turn. Look at the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate now. Hit the gate. Then come back southeast. Occult southeast.
Gig now. Gig pass.
Ukol southeast. Boots. Heals me in shallow. Heals me shallow. Yo, keep healing us. Cleanse. Go outside the gate. Yo, heals in the shallow. Heals in the shadow. I think we're wiped. Heal in the shallow. I'm dead. Get out.
Get out.
Get out.